So, got a new cat. Um, that's Athena up there, the cat I usually record. And this is my new cat, Cleo. And I'm making cereal, which is a fucking banger, by the way. I was making cereal, and as I was pouring it, she just comes running in, wanting some. And she now won't stop following me because I have the bag. And she thinks that it's her food because I always open this container, which is full of her cat food, for every single cat in the house, which is 3 cats. And she comes walking over, wanting some food, and now she won't leave me alone. She keeps walking with me. Every time she hears this bag of cereal, she just follows me. Cleo. Cleo. Hey, I can't. This isn't for you, sweetheart. This isn't for you. She's like sniffing the bag and shit. Hold up. So this is the bowl I have. It's a big ass bowl. I wonder if she'll come to it. Chloe. Cleo. Look. Cereal. I don't think she's actually gonna eat it, but if she does, then I'm just gonna pull it away. Cleo. Yeah, she's not gonna eat it. But it's cute how she was following me. I find that adorable. Good girl. Fucking cutie cat. That's adorable.